Hello guys, I hope everyone is doing great. Today I want to give you one simple technique. Using that technique, you can try to find the important highs and important lows, or I would say swing highs and swing lows, or I can say that reversal points or any major levels. Uh, from that level, you can try to take a buy or sell entry based on the price action confirmation. Okay, so whatever I'm gonna teach you right now, it's not a strategy, it's not a holy grail, it's not a some powerful strategy. No, it's a simple technique. Using that technique, you can find the reversal points. From that reversal points, you apply the price action strategies, support and resistance, supply and demand, or smart money concepts. Then you can try to take a trade. Okay, this is again based on the WD Gans work. And in the previous video, I have given you guys the Gantt square method. Gantt square method, using that Excel sheet. I have given you the Gantt angles also. Using that, you can predict the market reversal points. So if you haven't watched that video, please go through that. And now, in today's techniques, whatever I'm going to share you today, it's going to be very simpler than that. You don't need even Excel sheet, you just need a calculator, and you just need a little bit logic. That's it. Okay, so how we are going to proceed with this? So I'm going to give you the instructions first, or I can say formula first, so then we can proceed. Okay, first the formula is, first you need to understand here is time and price are interchangeable. Changeable, I think spelling is correct. Yeah, time and price are interchangeable. What do you mean by that? You can, in this formula, whatever formula I'm going to tell you right now, in this formula you can either use the time or you can use the price. Okay, but using the price is need more understanding and more other factors also there. So we don't want to use the price, we want to use simply the time. So using the time, we are going to predict the time, future time. At that time, you can expect the price reversals. Okay, so I'm going to use the time, and using the time, I'm going to predict the future. In future point in time, we can expect the price reversal, right? Although it is not 100% going to be reversal point, but you can find some important areas, right? So price and time is interchangeable. Now the formula is very simple. It's a 7th standard, 8th standard formula. Okay, I'm going to square, I'm going to find the square root of, okay, open bracket, double open bracket, and the square root of cube of time. Cube of time. Okay, or I would say, I can precisely say time difference. I'm going to first find the time difference, then I'm going to cube the time difference, then I'm going to take a square root of the time difference. That's it. First you need to find the time difference, then you need to cube that, then you need to take a square root of that. That's it. Now let us explain what is, one by one. Let us explain what is cube. Cube is nothing but, if I say 1 cube, okay, if I say 1 cube, 1 to the power of 3, that is 1 cube. So which means 1 into 1 into 1, that is 1 cube. 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2. So we will get, sorry, we'll get 8, right? That is called cube. Cube is nothing but, we are going to find the time difference, and that for that number we are going to take a cube value. Okay, then we are going to take a square root of that value. So let's say I I want to know 2 cube. So 2 into 2 into 2. So I get 8, right? That is a cube value. Okay, that is not a square value, that is a cube value. For this cube value, I'm going to take a square root. Okay, I'll get something around 2 point something I will be getting if I take a square root. That is the value we are looking. That's the value we are looking, right? Now, what is the time difference? What do you mean by time difference? Very simple, very simple. Let's say a swing low created. Let's say swing low created on 1st October. 1st October it is created. Okay, 1st October, and market moves up, moves up, moves up, moves up, and it on 10th October it's create swing high. 10th October. Okay, 10th October. So 1st October it's created the swing low. 10th October it's created the swing high. So difference between this two is 9, right? 9 days difference. Okay, so that is a time difference. Suppose if you are playing with the hourly chart, let's say morning 9 o'clock a swing low created, morning 9 o'clock swing low created, and let's say 12 p.m. swing high is created. 12 p.m. swing high is created. So you have a 3 hours difference, right? So 12 minus 9, you will get 3 hours difference. Okay, that's a time difference. So now you may have this question: can I use this? I have to use this in a daily chart or hourly chart? In my personal experience, you can use this in a hourly chart. Don't use it in a daily chart, because sometimes the difference will be really big, and if you find the cube value, the value will be really big. So like 1 lakh, 2 lakh, sometimes it will go like 4,000, 5,000 also. So that is really huge. So that's the reason I'm suggesting you to use this in a 1 hour chart. This will be really helpful for you to do the day trading, or maybe like a intraday trading or scalping per se. Okay, that's it. I need to find the time difference. I need to cube the time difference. Then I need to find the square root value for that time difference. Okay, so let us apply this in the chart. So what I'm going to do here is I have taken the Euro USD chart. I want to take a swing highs and swing lows. So extreme swing highs and extreme swing lows are really powerful. So I would like to take that. So for example, here I have a swing low and I have a swing high here. Okay, I don't care how much price moved. I don't care about that. I just want to know what is the time difference between these two. It's a 1 hour chart. How many hours difference between these two? Okay, so to find that very easily, you don't need to calculate one by one. To find that very easily, you can take the date range tool here, date range tool. Click that, click at the swing low and click to the swing high. Okay, you can see 8 bars. 8 bars, that is the information you need to take. I have explained this in the previous video itself, why we are taking 8 bars, why we are not taking 8 hours. I have explained in the previous video. You can go and check if you want to know more about this. So you can see 8 bars difference between these 2 points. 2 points. Okay, now I need to apply this. I have found the time difference. I need to apply this into the formula. I need to find the cube of 8. So 8 cube I need to find. 8 cube, which is nothing but 8 into 8 into 8. You can do this in Excel sheet. You can take a calculator or whatever, right? But I prefer to use a calculator. Very simple way you can do this. So take the calculator, put the 8 into 8 into 8. So you get 512, right? 512. Now you can do this way, or you can do another way. You can see here there is a option called x to the power of y. X to the power of y, right? You can use that also. So I want to find the x cube, right? So what I need to do here is I'll put 8 and I'll click the x to the power of y. Then I'll put 3 because cube, right? Then if I click equal, I'll get 8 cube. 8 cube value 512. Okay, 8 cube value, I found the 8 cube value. 8 cube value is equal to 512. Now what I need to do, I need to take a square root value of that 512. So for that you need to use the calculator. So you can see square root value simple here. I have a 512. Just click that button. You will get the square root value. So let's do this. Let's click the button. I'm getting 22.6. Right? There are so many numbers, but you can take 3 digits or 4 digit number. 22.6, that is my square root value. So 22.6. I can take 22.6, or I can take 22, or I can take 23, because I can, it's a decimal place, right? So you can round this number. So 23 or 22 you can take. 22 or 23 you can take. All right, now you found that time here. This is time. This is time. Into the future, we are going to calculate 23 bars from the present to the future. In future we are going to find. Okay, how do you do that? Very simple. Go to the, remember the number 20, 22 or 23. Take one more tool, the date range tool. Click this. From the high, measure 23 bars. 18, 21, 22, 23. 23 or 21, 22, whatever. So you can see this is the 22nd bar. Right, this is the 22nd bar, and next one is the 23rd bar. Now this is giving you the important level. It's going to give you the important level. It's not a direct selling level, it's not a direct buying level. You need to understand that. You have to be really careful. This is going to give me a some level. At that level I can expect some sort of reversals, or some sort of swing highs, swing lows, or maybe like a imbalance or something like that. We don't know what will happen, but something will be happening. So exactly at the 22nd candle and 23rd candle, if you see this both candles, it's a kind of a swing high, right? And as well as swing low. It's a kind of double side manipulation, or I would say that I would say I would call this as a swing high, because why? 1, 2, third candle, right? It's a swing high. So now you realized that okay, swing high is created, market is created exactly at this point. Swing high is created. So it's as per time aspect. There will be some impact will be happening here. That happened. That swing high is created. Now what do you need to do? You need to wait for the break and retest of swing points, right? Break and retest, and look for 5 minutes confirmation, 3 swing method, or 5 minutes scalping, or H1 15 minutes confirmation, whatever, right? Whatever you know, or WBW. Here you can see the WBW also there, right? Here previous highs are taken here, right? Simply you can see previous highs are taken. Okay, then that is your WBW level, and you can mark that candle, wait for the break and retest. You have to do that, because as per this cube formula, cube root method, you can find the important level. But how you are going to capitalize that important moment, you should use the price action, or smart money concept, or any other methods. Okay, so what happened after this candle? It's created the swing high here, and you can see the 3 swing is broken here. 3 swing is broken here in this 3 swing break method. If you are entering through 3 swing break method, that is a 3 swing break, and immediately retest, and market little bit struggled, and then it is went down. But if you are using WBWO and other strategies, you can easily take trade from somewhere here itself. Okay, right? So it's going to give you some important level. From that level you are looking for the price action confirmation, or smart money confirmation, or supply and demand confirmation, or maybe like a trend line, support and resistance, whatever, candle confirmation. Based on any technical analysis confirmation, you are going to take a trade. Okay, you have to do that. Now let's see the next swing highs, high to swing low. Let's maybe take this small one, right? This is not a proper low, proper high, but let's take this one. So I'm going to take from this low to and this high. This high I'm taking, this low to this high. I'm getting 17 bars. Price difference is 17 bars. So let's go to the calculator. Let's find the 17 cube. 17 x to the power of 3. So I'm getting 913. Okay, that's the cube value. Then I'm going to find this root value. So that is 70 candles, right? 70, which is 70 candles from the future. I mean from the present. From the present, I'm going to look for 70 candles in the future. So from here, I'm going to find the 70 candles. That is 70th candle is this. That is the 70th candle. Now here, it is not given you the proper results. right? It's given something here, but market went down, then gone above and fell down. Now, why this is not giving you the proper result? Because the swing lows and swing highs which you are taking is important. You cannot randomly take every swing low and every swing high. You have to take a swing lows and swing highs based on certain principles. Okay, there are many principles are there, which I will maybe in the later point of time I will reveal you to you guys. But I'll tell you something, very basic stuff. If I want to if I want to find the difference between swing low, swing high, or swing high, swing low, I want to see this thing. For example, this is the low, this is the high, and there's a lower, higher low, and higher high, right? Higher high. So there's a breakout structure. Okay. Now I know the trend here. What's the trend here? Buy trend. Okay. Now I know the clear trend here. In that case, I can take this swing low to this swing high. From this swing low to this swing high, what is the difference between the time? If I take this swing low, swing high, based on that, if I do this calculation, most of the times it's going to work really well. Most of the time it's going to work really well. But if you see here, what is this price action here? You can see low, high, low. It's not even a break, or it's like in between. It's not a proper structure. You can see here, this is the ranging market. You cannot take high low here. If you take high low here, the results will be going to be not a perfect one. So you need to have proper lows and proper highs, and if you have a retracement, if you have a breakup structure, then that is additional advantage. For example, if we go to into the future, maybe if I see this one, so from here to here, okay, that is a swing high and swing low. And do I have any breakup structure? Yes, I do have a breakup structure here, but I don't have a retracement. Retracement is something like this, right? Retracement is something like that. I don't have a retracement. That's okay. I have a swing high, I have a swing low, I have a breakup structure. Now I can calculate from here to here. So let's find the date difference. So from here to here, I have a 10 bars, which is very easy to calculate. So 10 cube I need to find. 10 cube equal to 10 into 10 into 10. So which is, I think, 1000, right? 10 into 10, 100, 100 into 10, 1000. 1000 is a cube value. Now I need to take a square root of this number. So that for that I need to go to the calculator anyways. So I think it will be somewhere around 30, I believe, if I am not wrong. So let's put 1000. Okay, 1000 square root value is 31.6. Yes, somewhat I am correct. Okay, 31.6. So let's take 31.6. Let's take a 31 or 32. These two values we can take. Okay. Now let's go here. From here I'm going to take a 31 or 32. So that is 32. Okay, where exactly it is showing? It's showing exactly here at this point. Now this point is not a swing high. Of course it's part of the swing high, and but let's wait for the proper confirmation. So wait for the next candle. So next candle is also swing high. So this is the level, right? If you don't properly see this is the level. Okay, so let me delete all those things. Yeah, somewhere here. Okay, so next candle is a swing high. Next candle, 3 candles is a swing high, but you need to wait for the 3 candle break, something like that. So 3 candle break is not happened so far. Then again one more swing high is created. One more swing high is created. That 3 candle is broken here. That 3 candle broken here and retested here, and market went down. Right? So this kind of confirmation you have to see. This is not a holy grail. This is not a powerful strategy. This is a technique which is help you to find the next important level. Right? So something like that you can do. Let's change the chart. Maybe let's check with the GBP JPY. Let's go here. I want to take some important level. For example, you can see here this is the perfect level. So low, high, and there is some sort of breakup structure, and even the retracement is there. But market was going up, but it is not giving you the, it's not breaking the structure. That's okay, that's completely okay. But it is retraced, started to retraced. Okay, so breakup structure is there, low is there, high there. So we want low to high. Low to high we are going to calculate. So I want to take a extreme low and extreme high. So extreme low is here, extreme high is this one. I think this one. Have I marked properly? Yeah, 17 bars, right? 17 bar. I think this is the extreme low, extreme high. Yes, that's extreme high. 17 bars. Let's go to the calculator. Find the 17 cube. 17 x to the power of 3. I'm getting 4913. Now I'm gonna take a immediate square. I'm going to square this. So I'm getting 70 candles, 70 hours, or I can say 70 candles, 70 hours, 70 bars, or 70 days from the present, from the current level. From the current level, I'm going to calculate 70th candle. 70th candle, okay? So from current level, I'm going to calculate 70th candle. So let's go into the future. 59, 60. This is the 70th candle, right? Where it is? Yeah, that is the 70th candle. So this is the 70th candle. Unfortunately, it is not giving the correct levels. So if I see here, okay, it's a part of swing low. It's a part of swing high. I'm sorry, part of swing high. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Then we are waiting for the break of the swing, right? So break of the swing is not happened, but there is a one more swing is created here. One more swing is created. Then that is broken, and unfortunately that is broken, and that is failed, and it become a breaker blocks. Okay, that is different story. But important level here, it shows here, it's not properly worked, unfortunately. Now you can do one more thing. Okay, one moment, let me check. It's a proper low. No, this is not a proper low. Actually, this is the proper low. Okay, I think let's measure the price difference. What is this low? 191.738. This is 191.734. Okay, you can see this is 734, this is 738. So this is the proper low. Yes, correct, this is the lowest point. Okay, so sometimes you need to take that into consideration. So this is, yeah, okay, great. Now what else you can do? You have a 70th candle from here to here. We have calculated. Now what you can do now, you can take the half of the 70, half of the 70. So if you take the half of the 70, it's a 35, right? So you can check a 35th candle also. You can try to take a trade. So that 35th candle is this. So that is the 35th candle. So it's not a part of the swing low, it's not a part of the swing high. So you need to wait for the swing point to create after this. So after this level, I got a swing high, and I need to wait for the break of the swing high. That's not happened. Then I have a swing low is created. I need to wait for the break of the swing high. That is a swing low that is happened here. So break of swing high is happened here. So that is my important level, I mean important point. So market somewhat it is gone above, but then again it is reversed. Okay, so 35th candle, half of the level also you can take. That also works sometimes. Okay, the idea here is you need to look for the important levels afterwards. Now let's take this previous low to high. I have a previous low here, extreme low here, extreme high here, and breakout structure, right? So let us take that level from the low to high. So 32 candles. Let's go to the calculator. 32 x to the power of 3. I get 32,768. Now I want to take a square root value. So I'm squaring this. Now you can see it's a 181 candle. Now 181 hours, right? 181 hours from the present candle. So let's go 181. I don't know whether. Let's go first. Half of the 181 is 90, right? 90 plus 90, 180, right? So 90.5, 91. First let's go to the half level, then we'll go to the full level. So I'm going to calculate 90 candles from that level. So that is a 90th candle. That is a 90th candle, right? And that's a swing high. So that is broken here, then retested here and fell down, then it is not worked. Okay, this is anyways failed. So let's go to the 181. 181. So 181 is here. I know it is here, exactly this point. Okay, afterwards you need to look for the swing high, and that is again a swing high only. 1 2 3. So what happened after? Market little bit ranged and then fell down, fell down, fell down. Okay, so similarly you try this with different swing highs and different swing lows. Now you can take opposite also, like for example this swing low, this swing high we have seen, right? Similarly this swing high to this swing low, you can do it, but accuracy may be changing, so that is important. So again this is 32. I think 32 we just calculated, right? 32 candles. So the same value, 181. 181 from here. From here 181 you need to see. From here first we see the 90. 90, it's exactly the reversal point. Okay, so this difference is 32 candles. So 32 cube 32,000, 32 cube 32,768. Square root of that value is 181. So that's the reason I have 181 divided by 2, 90, 90.5. 90.5 you can take a 91 or 90. So exactly at this reversal point it's showing. So and then market reversed. Okay, now let's take a 181 from here. Yeah, 181 is 180 is here. So it is not perfect, to be frank. From here market little bit reversed, but it is not a perfect, right? So that's why I'm telling you cannot consider this as a holy grail. You can consider this along with your trading strategies. Okay, now let's see maybe from this swing low. I would say I would take maybe from here to here. Okay, I don't want the intermediate highs and lows. Minor highs and lows is not required. Major highs and major lows. Okay, so let's take the date range tool from the major low to major high. So I'm getting 48 bars. So I need to find 48 cube, 48 x to the power of 3. I'm getting 1,10,592. Okay, now I'm going to take a square root of this. The square root value I'm getting 332, right? 332.5. So 333 candle from the present, which I may not have. I may not have the 300 candles here. So what I'm going to do here is I can take a half, which is 150, I think 160 something, right? 155 something, or I can take a one more square of this number. I'm going to take a one more square of this number. One more square of 332. I'm getting 18.23, right? So from here 18 candle. So that is 17th candle, that is 18th candle. So 18.2. So 18th candle is here. This is the 18th candle. Afterwards what happened? Market reversed. Market reversed afterwards, right? So if you take a 332 candles, that will be in the future. So you can mark that level in the chart and you can trade in that level in the future. But as of now it is not possible, right? So that's the reason. So you can take a 332 divided by 332 divided by 2. So which will come 332 divided by 2. So you'll get 166. Sorry, 166 candle from here. So let's see, do we have the candles? I don't think so. We don't have the candles. Okay, so that's the reason we took a square. We took a one more square, right? Let's take a gold, because a lot of you guys are asking whether will it work in the gold or not. You know guys, you need to do the back testing and all those stuff, because you need to understand one more thing. Here we are not taking the price. Please understand, gold is 4-digit number, right? Euro USD is one digit with 5 decimal place. GBP JPY is 3-digit number. Okay, we are not taking the price. Please listen very carefully. We are not taking the price, we are just taking the difference between the time. Okay, we are finding the difference between the time. So you can apply this strategy in any market, because we are not going to consider the price, we are not going to consider the decimal places, 5 digit decimal, 4 digit decimal, or 3 digit number. Or if you take a nifty 50, it's I think 5 digits number, right? 18,000, or like a 30, if you take a bank nifty like a 40,000, right? Like a 5 digit numbers. Forget about the price, you just need the time difference. Okay, now let me take the gold. I want to take some maybe like a high to low or low to high. So let's take the high to low, because we have been taking the low to high, right? So let's take the high to low. So I'm going to take this high to this low, which is very small, to be frank. So very small means you may not get the proper information, but that's okay. I'm getting 3 bars only, right? 3 bars means 3 cube. 3 cube means 27. 3 cube 27 equal to 27, right? So if you take a square root of this 27, so how much will be getting? 27 x to the power square root 5.19. Okay, so 5 days, 5 days from the low, 5 candles from the low. If you calculate 5 candles from the low, so that is your fifth candle. That's your fifth candle. Or of course, if there is a small rejection happened, that is really good. Okay, so yeah, it worked, but sometimes very small numbers may not give you the accurate information. Okay, now I'm gonna take this low to this high. Now why I'm not gonna take this high? Why I'm not gonna take this high? Why I'm not gonna do this high? Because if you see this, guys, the market was selling from here, selling, and it reversed from here, right? So that I'm taking this low. Then if you see here it goes up, goes down, goes up, goes down, goes up, goes down, goes up, goes down. From here it is again reversed. So this is the high responsible for this extreme low or this major low. This is the low is responsible for creation of this high. This is the high responsible for creation of this low. In between, these are minor lows and minor highs. I don't want minor lows, minor. In fact, as a matter of fact, this is the major, this is the minor. I should have not taken this, but for example sake, I have taken. Okay, so major lows and major highs I'm taking. So let's take major lows and major highs from the low to high. Okay, I'm getting 40 bars. 40 bars. So I need to find 40 cube. I think it will be coming 64,000. 40 cube means 64,000. Let's take 4 x to the power of sorry, not 4, 40 x to the power of 3. Yeah, 64,000. 4 cube is 64, so 3 zeros you can add. 64,000. Now I'm going to take a square root, which is 252.9. 253 candle to the future. 253 candle to the future. I don't know, we'll be having the data. Let's see. 253 candle or 52 candle in the future. Okay, that is 253. Do we have data? No, we don't have data, but you can mark this level in the you can put some vertical line here. When market reach that level, you can look for some reversals, okay, for the future. But let's do one thing. I can take the half value or I can take the square value of this number. So let's take the half value first, then we'll take a square value. So 253, let's take a divided by 2. I'm getting 126.4 or 126.5, or I can take 127 days, 127 days to the future. From here 127 days. So what is a 127? So that is 137. That is a 127. Okay, exactly what is that point here, guys? You can see here, that is exactly swing low. You can see this, the 127th date is a swing low. It's a first candle of swing low, then market reversed. Okay, so you are getting something, right? So you are getting some important levels. That is important, right? So we want to know where important level can form, where important highs and lows can form. So sometimes that works, sometimes that fails, but you will get something here, right? So this is the half value of 253. Now let's take a square root of one more square root of 253 or 252. So for that, 253 square is 15.9, or I can say 16 days. 16 days from this particular high. Okay, so let's click this. 16 days, 14 day, 15, 16. Unfortunately, it is not the perfect value. It's not giving you the perfect high, but you can see it is part of the, it is also giving you the swing high, and then market little bit reversed, then market reversed to the upside. Okay, square root value didn't work here, but half level worked, and we don't know how the future 253 level going to work. Okay, so hope this is kind of easy for you guys, because you know it's very simple. You are going to find the difference between the time, and you are going to multiply, or you can say you are going to find the cube value for the time difference. Then you are going to take a square value of the time difference of that cube value, right? Then you are going to calculate uh, that many bars from the present to future, and that future you will be expecting reversal or retracements, or some sort of highs and lows will be forming over there. And from that level you need to look for the price action confirmation. After that only you have to trade. So that is important, you need to understand that. Okay, so my suggestion here is, whatever the technique I'm sharing with you guys, you know, in the bootcamp we have not studied these things. In bootcamp we simply learned about the smart money strategies, but now why I'm giving these many the additional techniques, because at least for some of you guys it may helpful, because some of you guys still struggling to generate the income in the forex market or in the stock market, right? So you can at least combine this with your existing strategy. By the way, you can get some spark, right? You can get some spark, and using that spark you can trade. So these techniques going to give you some spark. So using that you know, uh, you are already demotivated, right? You can self motivate yourself once again to trade the market. So that's the reason I'm sharing this. Nothing like that this is powerful, this is going to work all the time. This also will be failing. When this fails, no, we will find other things, because trading is all about like exploration. It's two kind of exploration: self exploration and also market exploration. You need to look for, you need to increase your knowledge, improve your knowledge. Every day you need to learn, every day you need to improvise, right? So only by the way you can able to find your edge, or you can able to reposition yourself into the market. Okay, because there will be a flaws will be happening, you will be failing, you'll be losing money, you will be step down some point of time. So when you combine these kind of strategies, no, it will give you hope, and you can further proceed with your trading journey. That's the reason I'm sharing with this you guys. If you are interested like anything like this, you know, please let me know in the comment section, and I'm really happy to share more insights, because I'm exploring more things, and how we can simplify the smart money strategy, how we can get additional confirmation for the smart money strategy. That is my ambition. That is my strategy is smart money strategy. I don't change that, I always keep that strategy. But i'm just I'm just like improvising, and I'm giving you that knowledge also. So let me know if you are interested more on this. I'm happy to share more things. But please, you know, I just need your feedback, just need your comments. You can post it in the Telegram, because you know the effort which I'm putting, you know, at least need some value, right? So if you appreciate, or if you like back test and show your results with me, no, I'm really happy, because it's working. So at least 1% 2% got benefit with this. So I'll be feel satisfied, I'll give you more things. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, and if you want any other support, please let me know in the comment section. I'm try to help you guys. All right, I'll meet you guys in the another video. So until then, bye everyone, have a great day.